A lot of question is about the martial application and one of the movement of the form called brush knee. Another name of this movement is actually crossing the opponent football. What is this movement? I'm just gonna show. Okay, how we can use this? He's gonna do double punches attack. Okay. Now I'm gonna do slow first. I'm gonna absorb, I'm gonna grab, and I'm gonna push. As you saw, my knee actually blocked his knee. So here now, see the knee? The knee is blocking his knee, and that's why I cross his football. Now if we do a little bit faster, the same application can be done from push hands. For example, here we go, the four corner circle. I'm gonna use the direction. I'm gonna step and cross my opponent football.